What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I was inspired by Tionia Styles to try to do the fruitcake again. I did try this recipe a few times back and it turned out like a pudding, which I didn't want it to turn out like a pudding. I wanted it to have the consistency of a cake. I'm gonna try again. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I prepare to do the fruit cake or Christmas cake or rum cake, whatever you choose to call it. It's one of the Caribbean favorites. So I'm just going ahead and chopping the fruits. As you can see, I'm using red cherries, I'm using dried plums, and I'm also using raisins. These are my favorites. I don't like lemon peel, I don't like nuts inside of it. I don't like too many stuff inside of it. I just like to keep it simple. So that's what I'm doing right here. Okay, next I'm just going to go ahead and boil the fruits using some wine, some red wine. So I'm just going to be boiling the fruit. So make sure that you cover the fruits. I probably should have bought 2 bottles, but anyways, I bought 1 bottle. So, and I wanted to leave some so that I could add it to the fruits when I'm done. But anyways, so make sure that you have enough red wine and you're just gonna cover it and let this cook until the fruits are nice and soft. That way, if you're ready to make the fruit cake, you could just go ahead and use it because the fruits will be already soft and nice and the flavor will be all penetrated inside of it. So yeah, so I'm just going to boil this for about 15-20 minutes until all the fruits are like nice and tender. Some people like to blend the fruits. I don't. I kind of like the chunks. So I like to keep it chopped and just put it in the fruitcake just as is. If you rather it blended, you could definitely go ahead. After it's boiled and cooled, you could go ahead and blend it. But I'm just going to leave it like this. So I went ahead and put it inside the container. And the remainder wine, I'm just going to be adding it to the container. And then I'm going to be letting this stay here until I'm ready to do the cake. You could let this stay a month. You could let it stay a week. You could let it stay 2 days. You could let it stay 3 days. As long as you want. And when you're ready to make the cake, you just go ahead and use it. So that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.